Hi friends, my name is Rubiya Traf. Today we are continuing our Python basic playlist. Our today's topic is strings in Python. It is a very important topic. Let's start. First of all, we need to open Jupyter Notebook. Yeah. You can download Jupyter Notebook. From Ubuntu software or Jupyter.org, from Jupyter.org. Then type Jupyter lab or Jupyter lab or Jupyter Notebook. Yeah. I think your Jupyter will be open by typing Jupyter-lab. Yeah. Then create a new Python 3 file. That's why click new and type notebook. In notebook you can see Python 3. Click here. Yeah. This is our Jupyter notebook. Rename it string basic. Rename. Yeah. Let's know what is string. Python strings are sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Yeah. Let's see some examples. 1 minute. To write, another thing is very important. To write multiple lines of string, we use triple quotes. Yeah. Okay. Let's show some examples. First of all, create a variable str number 1. Then our first thing is single quote. In single quote, put a string. Write a string. I am r.araf. araf. Okay. Run it. Then print str number one, then run it. Yeah. Your output will be I am, then your name. Then our next string is second quote. That's why type str number 2, then create a variable str number 2, then type double quotes. Yeah. In double quotes type my name is r.araf. Okay. Run it. Then print str and o2. Then run it. Your output will be this. And single quote. in single quote, your output will be this. Yeah. Then our last and important string is triple quotes. Main thing is to write triple quotes, you need to type 3 single quotes. First single quote, second single, create a first, type str long 3, then first, then type first single quote, second single quotes, third single quote. Yeah. Type 3 single quotes to create our triple single quotes. In triple single quotes, you can write multiple lines of strings. Yeah. Let's write hi, I am hi. First hi, then type I am r dot araf, then in next line type how are you, in next line type I am fine, next line type I am also fine. Run it, then print strno 3, string number 3. Run it. Yeah. Another thing is slash means new line. Yeah. Hi is our first line, then hi, then I am Rubaiyat, I am Araf is our second line. Yeah. Then how are you, then how are you is our third line. Then I am fine is our fourth line. Then our fifth line is I am also fine. Yeah. These are called Python string. Yeah. That's all. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Bye.